Welcome to the program introducing large-scale laying hen and broiler farming models. Today, we will explore the most important and strategic steps to develop an effective and sustainable livestock farm. Let's start this journey together. First, chicken breed selection is a key factor in determining the success of the farm. Choose chicken breeds with high egg production and good disease resistance such as Isa Brown, Highline Brown, and Lohman Brown. These chicken breeds not only lay a lot but are also very easy to raise, helping you save time and money. Breeds such as the Cornish Cross, Cobb, and Ross are excellent choices for broilers. With fast growth and high meat quality, you will quickly recoup your investment and develop your farm. The coop is the ideal home for your chickens. Design it for the most convenience and comfort. Use a cage system or floor with soft straw. Ensure good ventilation and natural or artificial lighting. Equipped with automatic feeding troughs, drinking troughs, and modern egg collection system. Broiler cage. Spacious and airy design. Can be raised on soil or concrete floors covered with straw. Automatic feeding and drinking troughs help save time and effort. Control appropriate temperature and humidity, especially during the incubation period of chicks. Chicken care is the most important factor to achieve high productivity. Let's see what we need to do. Provide high-quality, nutritious food for chickens to develop best. Make sure drinking water is always clean and sufficient. Health management. Vaccinate against common diseases such as Newcastle, Marak, Gumboro, and bird flu to prevent diseases. Monitor chicken health daily. Detect and treat promptly. Habitat. Keep the barn clean and clean regularly to avoid disease. Control appropriate temperature and humidity, especially for chicks. The harvest stage is when we reap the rewards of our efforts. Collect eggs daily, check and classify to ensure quality. Store eggs at appropriate temperature and humidity before bringing them to market. Monitor the weight and health of chickens. Prepare for sale when they reach standard weight. Manage the transportation and slaughter process to ensure food safety and hygiene. Chicken eggs, an extremely popular dish, are not only easy to prepare but also contain countless valuable nutrients. High-quality protein, an average egg contains about 6-7 g of protein, including all the essential amino acids the body needs. This helps build and repair tissues and muscles. Vitamin V Co and KCT. The GL Engantut Vika Vitamin B3 Niacin, B6, B12, GIP Duiter H Than Kin V Chine H Ang Lang Huku. Go Ira. The GCN Kung CPPD Fo. Selen VCC Co and KCT Thit UKHC. Vitamins and minerals. Chicken eggs are a source of vitamins D, B6, B12, and minerals such as zinc, iron, and copper. In particular, vitamin D in eggs helps strengthen the immune system and support bone health. An important nutrient for brain and nerve function. Chicken eggs are one of the best sources of choline, which helps improve memory and cognitive function. High-quality protein. Like eggs, chicken provides abundant protein, essential for muscle growth and maintenance. A 100 grams serving of chicken contains about 27 grams of protein. Chicken, a rich and diverse source of protein, is an indispensable part of our daily diet. Let's find out the nutritional benefits that chicken brings. Dear friends, we have just discovered together the wonderful nutritional values of chicken eggs and chicken meat. These foods are not only delicious but also bring many health benefits. Healthy, helping us maintain a healthy and energetic life. Hopefully this information will help you make smarter choices for your daily meals. Thank you and see you in the next programs.